If you are a homeowner or building your dream home, do not make this mistake. I know you spent time selecting the right architect, spent months on drawings, selecting the right elevation, and weekends going in to select the right marble, modular kitchen, and wardrobes. Everyone ignores this part of the house. This is your water tank. You already know plastic is out. Stainless steel it is. Every SS tank in the market looks exactly the same. Same shine, same shape, same food grade steel claim. Just different price tags. Here's the truth. All stainless steel tanks are not built the same. The difference is in what you can't see. I'm an engineer. I compared what's actually inside the SS tanks sold in India brand to brand, and the difference shocked me. Most brands still weld tanks by hand, the same as in 1995. Some use machines for argon welding and call it robotic, but the robot doesn't change the welding. Argon welding melts the steel, and once steel is melted, it's never as strong again. That weak line around the weld, that's where rust starts. That's where the leak happens. This is why German car makers don't allow argon welding on fuel tanks. They use high frequency seam welding, no flame, no melting. Sunstellar welds every tank to that same standard. No melted steel, no weak line, no expiry date. Now look at the inlet and outlet where the pipes connect to the tank. Almost every brand welds these fittings straight onto the tank body. The same argon welding you just saw. So right where the tank takes the most pressure every single day, there's a melted, weakened joint. Sunstellar uses weldless bulkhead fittings instead. No welding at all. The fitting locks to the tank wall, sealed under pressure. The same principle used in aircraft plumbing, where a leak is simply not an option. No weld at the connection. Most insulated tanks look the same from outside, but what matters is what's packed inside the wall. Think of two flasks. The cheap one, water turns lukewarm by noon. The premium one, still cold at night. Same steel outside, the difference is the density of insulation inside. Sunstellar tanks are built like that premium flask, just 1,000 times bigger. High density Dow Chemicals PUF, packed solid, zero air gaps. The outside temperature simply cannot reach your water. And for even better results, our 100mm insulation model, the thickest insulation in the market. The water inside stays the way it entered, morning to evening, season after season. And the body of the tank? Look at a 40-foot shipping container. Its walls are barely 2mm thin, yet it carries 30 tons stacked 9 high through ocean storms. The secret is in the shape, those corrugated walls. That's where the strength comes from. Sunstellar shapes its inner tank the same way. Our corrugation process makes a 1.5mm wall perform like a 3mm wall. Strength from engineering, not from wasting metal. Even the bottom frame, where every other brand welds it to the tank body, we clamp it instead. Apple's engineering rule. The fewer the joints, the fewer the failures. Now, everything I just showed you is engineering, but here's the proof that matters. Sunstellar gives a 10-year warranty, double the industry standard. And it's not just a paper warranty. An engineer at your door within 48 to 72 hours. On-site repair, and if it can't be repaired, free replacement. Think about it. A company offers 10 years only when it already knows the tank won't fail. So, the tiles, the marble, the kitchen, you chose them all carefully. Don't rush the one product your family uses every single day. An SS tank is not just an SS tank, and now you know exactly what to ask before you buy. Want the full engineering comparison and a price for your home? Message us tank or tap the link below. Our team will call you the same day. Sunstellar, built different, literally.